must hurry up because fairy tale videos are not saturated on YouTube. That's exactly what I am going to show you today. I spent hours diving deeper into this niche and discovered that it's a big opportunity for you to jump into a fairy tale YouTube channel before it becomes competitive. Let's watch a little part of the fairy tale video I created.
In a hidden glen, far beyond the reach of mortal eyes, lived a fairy named Lyria. She possessed wings of pure silver, shimmering like moonlight. Lyria loved the feeling of the wind beneath her wings, sensing that today was an adventure waiting to happen. As Lyria soared high.
So if you want to make fairy tale stories with free AI tools and earn money from YouTube, you must watch this video. I have uploaded a video on creating amazing 3D animated stories for free. As you can see, thousands of people are using this AI tool to create killer videos for free. If you follow the steps in my mind that I'm going to show you today, there is no doubt you will achieve similar results. Without further ado, let's get into it. We will divide this video into 5 steps. Step number 4 is crucial, where I will show you how I turn normal images into high-quality fairy tale scenes. The first step is to generate a story script for our video, but if you want to find interesting topics for your video, don't worry. I have several ways you can get amazing children's stories for free. You can head over to Google and ask Google to give you popular, amazing children's stories. As you can see, there are thousands of children's stories you can choose from. You can select anyone that suits your preference, but please make sure you don't copy and paste it directly. Try to replicate the idea into a new story to achieve amazing results because of copyright issues. More importantly, if you don't want to use Google to find ideas, here's another option for you. We can leverage the use of an AI chatbot, ChatGPT, for countless story ideas, which is completely free, even the new version of GPT 4.0, which can give you amazing results. So this is the story template that I can use to generate story ideas from ChatGPT. And I have also provided you with free story ideas and templates in the description down below. You can check it out to get new ideas. But you can see that I have used the templates to generate my story script, and I went ahead to ask ChatGPT to give me a detailed script with a powerful prompt to generate powerful images with the same ideas in the story. Now the next step is to generate a voiceover. For a high-quality voice, click the link in the description under this video to head over to this platform. This AI tool is popularly known for its high-quality voiceovers for creating videos like this. Also, this AI tool has AI voiceover, transcription, AI avatar, video translation, and video editing. For the sake of this video, we will be using the AI voiceover feature. Click on the new voiceover to start generating our high-quality voiceover. We have to choose a quality voiceover, so click on this small icon to explore more voices. You can see a lot of voices from different languages and accents. First, we need to choose a language. I'm going to select the English language, and for the gender section, I will choose female. As you can see, there are so many female American AI voices. You can select male if you like. And when it comes to age, I will go for adult. Now you can go ahead to choose the scenario. With that, you have to choose the fairy tale option since our video is all about the fairy tale story, which is quite simple. Now for the style, you can choose from anyone due to the topic of your video. Let's try a few of their quality voices.
What a surprise. I'm still in a state of shock. I would never have expected this to happen in a million years. That's extraordinary. Who can have thought of it? Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young girl. She was known for her kindness and love for animals.
After choosing your preferred voice, click on Confirm to use it as the default voice. Now we need to paste our script in the space provided below. I will paste the script I generated with ChatGPT. You can make changes or edit some mistakes in the script. And you can make some settings like the speed, rhythm, and more. In this case, our voice and script are ready. To generate the voice, you need to click on the export button on the top right to export the audio. Now click on the MP3 for high quality voice and finally the export button. Also, you can use another AI voice generator called 11 Labs. You can select any quality voiceover you want from their audio library. After selecting your voice, you can paste in your script to generate the voiceover with one click of a button. Step 2 has successfully been completed. We're moving on to the third step. Step number 3. We need to create our images based on our script with free AI tools. To generate our images for free, we will use Leonardo AI. This AI is completely free. You will get 150 credits per day to generate high-quality images, which is enough for personal use. To use this AI tool, you need to create a free account with your email. I will put the link in the description down below. After that, it will redirect you to this page like the one you see on your screen. These are mind-blowing images that have been generated by thousands of people for free. Click on any of the images to land on the prompts and the model used to generate the images. For instance, this image you see here is a 3D image. Always check the prompt used to generate the image and the model, which will make you generate similar images. Since we opt for 3D images with the same model, like this, I will click on the generate button right here. You will be directed to this page. Now you need to type in the prompt in this box. I will go and copy the prompt ChatGPT gave me, which corresponds to the script of the story. I have provided you with free story ideas and a prompt template in the description. You can check it out. After copying the prompt, I will go back to Leonardo to paste it here. Now, for you to save credit to generate more images, consider these settings: disable photoreal, alchemy, prompt magic, and transparency. Otherwise, your generation will cost a lot of credits. After the necessary settings, click on the generate button to start generating your image. Our image has successfully been generated, so let's preview it. It is exactly the prompt we pasted in the box. You can download it, but before that, you have to upscale the image for better quality. Now, for you to generate similar images, click on the image guidance, and you can upload a preference image like the one you see here. After, I will go back to my script to copy my second prompt to generate the image based on the preferred image I uploaded. I will paste it in the box and click on the generate button. Voila, this is mind-blowing, as you can see that the image generated is similar to the reference image that we uploaded, and you can use this image in your project for free. You need to repeat the same process for all your images to achieve a similar result. We have completed our third step. Our fourth step is to convert our AI-generated images into animated videos. To do that, I will use an AI tool called PIKA Lab. PIKA Lab is text-to-video tool like Moon Valley. To access this tool, click the link under this video to create a free account with your Google Discord account. As you can see, this is the PIKA Lab Discord server. There are tons of AI-generated videos for free. Now, to generate your video, type a command in the box down here. So I will type /. As you can see the animate command here, I will click on it. In this section, we need to upload our image. I will go to my image download section and I will drag the drop it in the box below. PIKA Labs will convert our image into an amazing video for our fairy tale video for free. Our video is ready, so let's check it out. But you can see that our video had no movement. What we are going to do is click on this arrow here, type in camera zoom out or zoom in, and add the prompt. After clicking on submit to regenerate the video again, this tool will add camera zoom in or zoom out to the video to make it quite interesting and give it a professional look. Perfect, our video is ready, so let's check it out. This is exactly what I want. You can make any camera movement like vertical, horizontal, and roll to give it a professional look. Using the same technique, you can convert all of your scenes into realistic videos. So we have completed our fourth step. Now we are moving on to our final step. We have to combine and edit all the videos to make it a successful story video. You can use any video editor of your choice. I will use the CapCut app for the editing because this is a free and very professional video app and is available for all devices. Import all the videos you created and the voiceover you generated. You need high-quality background music for the video from any other website. I always recommend Epidemic Sound for high-quality background music and sound effects for all your videos. I will provide a link in the description and you can sign up for a 30-day free trial for unlimited download with this. To sign up, click the button here to sign up with your email account. You need to upload all the videos into the timeline. You need to adjust the clips according to the voiceover to match every single scene after cutting the rest of the part of the background music to suit the voiceover. With the effects, I like to use the one called Mini Star Effect because it looks amazing. To use the effect, go to the Effects section, navigate down, and select a star. As you can see, there are different effects to use, but I will use the mini star. You can choose to use only one or two, depending on the type of story you are editing. Place it on the timeline, and you can drag it on the entire timeline to apply it on the video. After editing, head over to the upper right corner here to click on the Export button, and again export. You can upload the video anywhere, especially on YouTube, and start your money-making journey. Let's open the video.
In a hidden glen, far beyond the reach of mortal eyes, lived a fairy named Lyria. She possessed wings of pure silver, shimmering like moonlight. Lyria loved the feeling of the wind beneath her wings, sensing that today was an adventure waiting to happen. As Lyria soared higher, dark clouds began to gather. A storm was brewing, one unlike any she had seen before. She knew she must find shelter before the storm hit. Just as the first raindrops began to fall, Lyria spotted an ancient oak tree with a hollow large enough to shelter her. She felt relieved to have found a safe haven from the storm. When the storm passed, Lyria emerged to a breathtaking sight, a radiant rainbow arcing across the sky. The beauty of the rainbow filled her with awe and wonder. With renewed joy, Lyria took flight once more, knowing that even storms can bring beauty. Every flight was an adventure, and every storm a story waiting to be told.
If you want to generate 3D animation videos with free AI tools like this, watch the video on your screen to use the amazing AI tools that generate 3D stories in seconds. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and you can ask me any question in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.